Welcome back to my channel. We are back again to react on this important information from Biafran Liberation Army Commander Holy Ghost. He have a very vital information that I would like to share with you. Just sit back and relax and learn, and please share this message, of course, so that others will get to hear what this our commander said. Because some people don't understand what is going on, and some people are taking it for granted. But this message will go a long way to save life. And please listen. Don't go anywhere.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. This message is a repeat message of what our great PM have already informed the public, but let me bring this to your notice once again. Many of you have been writing me on my DM about recruitment, and I told you that Biafra Liberation Army are not doing any recruitment for now. In case you do not know what is going on, I've told you the strategies of the zoo now is to reduce the population of our young men that can able to fight against them in case war break out. So what are their means of doing so? They are using the saboteur, those who sold out Nnamdi Kanu to them, to lure our youth into their hand. And immediately you enter their hand, you have only two options. Either you fight against Biafra or you die. Because they will recruit you into a bubaku, then give you pump. This is what they are doing, you know. Pay attention, I may not explain this to you again. When they are coming to war with Biafra Liberation Army, they will push you front. You'll be the one that will be on front, so you will be the one to first die before them. They know quite well that your life is not going to be spared. And what am I saying to you? There is no recruitment in Enugu or in Imo State or in Abia State or in Akwa Ibom State or any part of Biafra. There is no recruitment. If there is any recruitment, Prime Minister will let you know. And he will also inform General Butuzo, and I will also come here to, educate you and tell you how you are going to go about. For now, no recruitment. For now, no recruitment. If you join the enemy of the people and come to the Biafra land, you are a dead person. We will not spare you. In case you don't know, tension is, the guy called high tension is evil. So, you have to be informed and aware that we are telling you this to save your life. We are telling you this to save your life. High tension is agent of the zoo. High tension is the agent of the zoo. There was a time high tension recruit more than 1,000 soldiers and sent to Asadi Dokubo. And after that, then called them Ajiwana. Then came to Imo State, and all of them perished. They are paying him again to recruit. Be wise. As I told some of you, stay wherever you are. Just use your brain. The highest recruitment is on the way coming. It is not necessary that you enter camp. It is not necessary that you enter camp. When it happens, I will tell you what to do. Anywhere you are, you can defend yourself and destroy the enemy of the land than somebody to take you. In the name of that, you want to join the forces, and then at the end of the day, you have no other option than to join the enemy and come to the land of Biafra. You are a dead person. You are a dead person. So be careful. That is the purpose of my bringing this broadcast to you on this very holy day, the Sabbath day, the last day of the week. Shabbat Shalom to those who believe in Sabbathania, and a lovely, wonderful weekend for a good Biafrans over there. So keep your head down, no recruitment, and save yourself from destruction, because this is the war of the spirit. If you are not spiritually filled, you cannot withstand it. And again, if you are not called, don't put body. Some of you think that it is easy. Some of you think that it's just, is it not just to go to camp, carry weapon, begin to defend? No. Many are called, few are chosen. But even among the chosen, there are selected one. If you are not called to do this, you cannot withstand. If you are not called, examine yourself, examine your soul, examine your spirit. Were I born to be among these angels? And follow your spirit. Wait for the right time. And when the right time comes, the PM will still let you know. And we will let you know. And the gate will open for you. For now, no recruitment. Allow this information to go every part of Biafra land to save the Biafra youth. That is what I have for you. Good evening once again. It is your only brother, Brother Holy Ghost.